Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at one logical question, Olympiad question. Solve xy belongs to real numbers e to the power of x square plus y into e to the power of x plus 1 is equal to y square into e to the power of x plus 1. The second equation is e power y square plus x into e to the power of y plus 1 is equal to x square into e to the power of y plus 1. So here as we are going to solve this exponential problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. To solve this problem. So here we cannot solve this problem by multiplying or any dividing with anything. So here first of all we'll do by taking logarithms. If any easy methods are there, you can give the suggestions and you can comment on it. Thank you. Here we'll start the problem. So first of all e to the power of x square is equal to, here I am taking this value to that side, y square e to the power of x plus 1 minus y into e to the power of x plus 1. So here you can take e power x plus 1 common. So here you'll get y square minus y into e to the power of x plus 1. Similarly, if you go to the second equation, e power y square is equal to x square into e power y plus 1 minus x into e to the power of y plus 1. So here you can take e power y plus 1 common. You will get x square minus x into e to the power of y plus 1. Now, from this equation 3 and 4, so you can write e to the power of x square over e to the power of x plus 1 is equal to y square minus y. From equation 4, you can write e to the power of y square over e to the power of y plus 1 is equal to x square minus x. So here applying the formula a power m by a power n, a to the power of m minus n, by applying this formula we can write it as e to the power of x square, directly I am writing minus x plus 1 is equal to y square minus y. In the same way, here you can write e to the power of y square minus 1 minus y minus 1 is equal to x square minus x. Now, here I am doing some adjustment now. E to the power of x square minus x by e is equal to y square minus y, e power 1 now. In this side also I am doing some adjustment. E to the power of y square minus y by e power 1 is equal to x square minus x. Now, e to the power of x square minus x is equal to e into y square minus y. E into y square minus y. So here in the place of x square minus x, you will replace the value of this one. In the place of x square minus x, you will replace the value of that. Then what will get? E to the power of e power y square minus y minus 1 is equal to e to the power of y square minus y. Now taking natural logarithms, taking log base e on both sides. Taking log base e on both sides, what will get here? Log of e to the power of e power y square minus y minus 1 is equal to log e base e into y square minus y. Now here you are using the power formula. What will get here? E to the power of y square minus 1 minus y minus 1 into log e base you will get here. Here you will get log e base e plus log y square minus y log m plus n. Now here you will get this value is 1. This value is 1. So e to the power of y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 1 plus log y square minus y. Now let us take y square minus y equal to m. Y square minus y is equal to m. Then you will get e to the power of m minus 1 is equal to 1 plus log m. Now again taking log base e on both sides. Again taking log base e on both sides. Log e to the power of m minus 1 is equal to log 1 plus log m base e. So here we will get m minus 1 log e base e is equal to log base e into 1 plus log m. So here this value is 1 now. So m minus 1 is equal to log of 1 plus log m. So here by trial and error you will get m value is equal to 1. So m value is equal to 1, then LHS will be equal to RHS. So here log 1 0 will get 0 value. So here m value is 1. Now replace in this m value. So what will get here? Y square minus y is equal to 1. That implies y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now if you apply the formula, here you will get y is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 5 by 2. 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Now we have written our x. This is the value of y. Now we have to get the value of x. So x square minus x is equal to 6 into y square, 6 to the e to the power of y square minus y minus 1. So here y square minus 1 value is y square minus y value is 1. From this we will get So x square minus x equal to e to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So here you'll get the quadratic x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x is also equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. I hope you understood the video. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you.